excited to open the Smeg. Should we open it? Okay, let's open it. Ooh, pretty. So this is how the box looks like. I got the coffee maker, drip coffee maker. So if we open it right here, I just need help taking it out. Louie, my assistant, will you help me? Louie, where are you? Will you help me take out the Smeg? It looks just like you, the color. Okay. And so, let me just take it out. I need help. Come on, Louie, take it out. Help me. Okay. Ooh. It's so pretty. It comes with a little scooper. It comes with the manual. It's so pretty. Oh, the cup. Oh, oops. Let me take this part out. So pretty. Look. Wait, come. Hey, look. It's the Smeg. What is this? Should we make coffee? Louie, should we make coffee? You want coffee? Okay, let's go make it. So I just set up the time. Now I have to make coffee. Just put this in. Just have to fill it in with coffee and water on the side.